Hey, it's Marissa. Today we're going to be drawing a real looking Arctic fox. The first step we're going to take is to draw the shape of the nose, and it's kind of be tilted up. So draw like a curve that goes up like this. Once you have that, we're going to start to form little fur patterns. So they're just little curves like waves. So go ahead and do that, and then make some waves turn this way, and then you can make some little pointed. It's up to you, but keep going till about here. Once you have that, we're going to start to form the ear. So just draw a big line up like this. Once you do that, curve around and then go down just a little bit. Now we're going to start to go out and then down a little past that first line. There's an ear. Now we're going to make one coming out this way, another ear. So start about here and go up and in a bit, and then curve around to go down into the hair. There we go. We're going to make little fur marks inside the ear, so they're just little zigzag marks, just kind of like that one that we did earlier, and make those zigzag marks go all the way down. There we go. Now this is the nose, so let's go ahead and make that. I'm going to start here in the middle and then go up and around, then bring that curve back down and in, and then close it off. I'm going to start about here and then start to form the line down to be the jaw. There we go. Now let's put another line down and in. I'm going to make little curve marks and bring that line all the way down. There we go. Now let's start forming the hair down here. It's just big curves like this. And then once you have that, keep going and make the little fur marks, but angle them so that it's going to the left like that. So I'm going to start up here now and kind of go down and out like that and make these fur patterns just come out this way. I'm going to go back in and out. See how I kind of mix it up? So I do some lines, some like this, but it's up to you what you want. I'm going to keep making these zigzag marks all the way around his head. Now, once you start to get to this point, start making these little zigzag marks a little shorter than the ones down here to show that the hair or the fur is coming down towards the head. There we go. Now let's close off the nose by just coloring it in. So color that nose in. There we go. Let's start forming the eye. The eye is going to go right here, and it's just a line up like this, and then go ahead and bring that line down. We're going to start on the first mark that we made, go down and in. I want to go just a little bit out like this. There's like a tear duct. And then once you have that, put one line here, another line on this side. So they're like two black marks. And then we're going to put a big oval at the top here. That'll be the eye. Inside the oval, make a little mark for a little shine on the eye, and then color the rest in black. There we go. Now you can leave it like this or make some more patterns for the fur. I'm just going to make little marks kind of showing that there's fur, but it's up to you. I'll put some here. Maybe I'll put some marks down here. Just kind of wherever you feel like you want to shape the face, you put marks of hair. There we go. Now let's color it in. Here's our Arctic fox. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with another friend that loves Arctic foxes, and I will see you next time. Bye!